Welcome to this presentation. My name is Nico van der Wegen. I am a professor in geomatics at the Department of Geography in Ghent University. I will present SoleWay, being the sole solution to find your way indoors. "25 years ago, people going out typically asked the question whether it wouldn't be awesome to know in which pub your friends were partying. Today, this is history thanks to smartphones and social networks. 15 years ago, people asked, wouldn't it be interesting to find your way always and everywhere all over the world? Today, this is also history thanks to technologies such as GPS and GIS combined to car navigation systems. So, today, lots of navigation problems have been solved, but the question remains whether it wouldn't be interesting to perfectly find your way indoors. In order to answer this question, several problems have to be solved. First of all, one needs to be able to get an accurate indoor location. Nowadays, several methodologies and techniques exist, but unfortunately there is no overall coverage, in contrast to global GPS used for outdoor navigation. Thus, in order to be able to locate, one needs to locally install hardware such as beacons. Second, indoor maps are lacking. Creating such maps is feasible nowadays, but it is rather time-consuming and expensive. Moreover, one might question whether detailed indoor maps are needed for indoor navigation, and whether people can easily read indoor maps and navigate indoors based on such maps. Third, in contrast to outdoor street networks, complex indoor environments such as huge shopping centers cannot be easily transformed to graphs, creating problems for routing algorithms indoors. As a specialist in GI science and GI technology, I love new technologies and techniques trying to optimize indoor navigation. But I am also convinced that a quick overall high-tech solution will not be found. So why not let's go back to the basics and just use the wisdom of the crowd as a zero-dimensional approach. SoleWay allows users to search for indoor routes, as is exemplified here by the search towards the office of Nico van der Wegen. In order to gather data, SoleWay allows the crowd to create routes based on simple textual route instructions, as we are used to give in real life and understand in real life. Creating one route can be done in 2 steps within 10 minutes. In step 1, the starting point of the route needs to be located. In step 2, detailed route information needs to be given, being the start and end point and the route instructions itself. SoleWay also easily allows to create many routes just by starting from an existing route, and then by creating a similar one. Starting from these instructions, subtle changes can be made in order to create the new route. As can be seen via the spread of the created routes, SoleWay has the potential to go worldwide. SoleWay uses 2 approaches. In the top-down approach, a region is assigned to an administrator responsible for that region, forming the basis for structured indoor mapping for a university, a shopping center, a cultural center, and so on. In the bottom-up approach, a user can just create its own route, set a link to that route in its digital signature, and help future visitors to find his or her office by just clicking on the office location link. Good luck with SoleWay.